So we've learned about what a plant is, and we've learned about what plants need. So now we're going to look even more about plants, and we're going to see how do plants grow. So we're going to read through this story, and the title of the story is From Seed to Plant. And we can see on our front cover we have a little seed, and then we have a big plant. And we want to know, how does this happen? How do seeds work? Okay, so this is the front cover of our book. We have the back cover of our book, and we have the spine. Okay, and then the author. What does the author do? The author writes the words in the book. Okay, so the author is Gail Gibbons. And we have the illustrator. And what does the illustrator do? The illustrator draws the pictures. And I think she's the illustrator too. She does both. Sometimes authors and illustrators are the same person. Okay, so let's go ahead and look. From seed to plant, what do we notice on our title page? I notice some flowers and some leaves in a pot. I see does anyone know what this is? A shovel with some soil. What could they be doing? Most plants make seeds. A seed is the beginning of a new plant. All plants start as little seeds. And here I see a lot of different plants. This is a flower called a tulip. What color is the tulip? Looks maybe orange or red. I see another flower. This one's called a daisy. What color is the daisy? I see white, and then the middle has some yellow. I see a rose, a red rose. This is a pea leaf, a buttercup, it's yellow, and even some corn. And all of these plants started as seeds. And I even have a seed here. They all start as seeds. There are lots of different seeds. Let's check them out. Seeds can be all different types of shapes, sizes, and colors. So seeds look different, and they all make different types of plants. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys some different seeds in just a minute, okay? All seeds grow into the same kind of plant that made them. So this is a sunflower seed. So all sunflower seeds make sunflowers. And this is an oak tree seed. And all of these seeds will make oak trees. So you won't have one of these making a sunflower, right? So we're going to check out some different types of seeds. Here we have some tomato seeds. They're pretty small. They will grow into tomatoes. These are squash seeds. They're a little bit bigger, and they will make squash or zucchini. These are cauliflower seeds. They're smaller and a different color, and look, they're like little balls. They roll all over the place. They will make cauliflower. These are celery seeds, and they are so tiny. I spilled so many out by accident, but these are little teeny tiny celery seeds, and they will make celery. These are cucumber seeds. They're almost like our squash seeds, but they're a little bit smaller. Remember, these were our squash seeds. These are cucumber seeds. And we have some spinach seeds. So all of these are different types of vegetable seeds. And they're all different shapes and sizes and colors. And they all make different vegetables. But all of the vegetables start out as a seed. We also have some flower seeds. And they look different. And when we plant these seeds, we get flowers. These are different flowers. Here we have some big sunflower seeds. And here's another type of flower seed. So when we plant these seeds, we get different flowers. Some seeds make vegetables, some seeds make flowers, some seeds make fruit or trees. There's all different types of seeds. Okay, so we've explored some different types of seeds and we saw that they look different and they grow into different things. What does it look like these kids are doing here? I think they're planting seeds. A flower bed or a vegetable garden is beautiful. Seeds are planted to grow in the garden. So you can see this boy here is planting some seeds. They're planting seeds, and maybe some of their seeds will grow into flowers. Maybe some will grow into fruits and vegetables. Looks like this one might be carrots, tomato, lettuce, corn, beans. And see how he is sprinkling the seeds into the soil. He has a shovel, and she is doing the same. So they're planting a garden. The seeds come in small envelopes or boxes, just like I showed you guys. They come like this and you can buy them at the store. And there's directions to tell how to plant the seeds and how to take care of them. So on the back, it tells you what you need to know to help the seeds grow nice and big and tall. When the seed is under the ground in the soil, there's a little beginning of a plant inside of each seed. Food is stored in the seed too. The seed has a coat on the outside, like this, that protects it and keeps it safe while it's growing. A seed will not sprout or grow until certain things happen, just like we've talked about. First, the seed has to be in the soil. The seeds in this bag, do you think they will start to grow? Do you think I will start to grow plants out of here? They will not grow. They need certain things, just like we've talked about. One of the things that they need is to be in the soil. You have to plant them under the ground into the soil. Then it needs some water. So this water is coming from the rain, but we can also water using our watering can. Then, when the sun shines, it warms the ground and the seed coat will break open and the seed will begin to sprout and grow. This little growing seed is a little sprout. And we also start to see something growing down. These are called roots. The roots help the seed drink up the water that's in the ground and different minerals that help the seed eat and drink. So we have our little seed, our little sprout, and we have the roots. And this is all called germination. over time, up grows a shoot. Up grows the shoot from our seed. So there's our little seed, and up grows a shoot, and some leaves start to grow off the shoot. And they grow towards the sun because they use the sun as food. So they want to get close to the sun. The plant grows bigger and bigger. The leaves make food for the plant from the water and minerals in the soil, and from the sunlight, and from the air all around it. So we have the air, where we go, the air. We have our sun, we have our soil, and we had our water. And now look at our plant. It's growing big and healthy and strong. Finally, the plant is full grown. Buds on the top of the plant begin to open, where flowers will grow. And inside of these flowers, believe it or not, are seeds. More seeds. Many of the foods that we eat are seeds, fruits, and pods. They are full of nutrition, vitamins, and minerals. So we eat peas. And inside right here, the part that we eat are actually the seeds. We eat tomatoes with the seeds and strawberries with seeds. And they're very tasty too. We have our apples, and apples have seeds in them too, remember? When we open our apples in the classroom and you guys say, look, all the seeds. Apples have seeds too. We don't eat those, but if we planted them into the ground, they would grow into apple trees. The end.